How to remove soap scum from shower doors. Apex Fresh Cleaning, Brooklyn, New York. Soap scum can build up quickly on your shower doors, especially in Brooklyn, New York, where water quality can leave behind more residue. Here's how to remove it efficiently. 1. Create a solution. Mix equal parts white vinegar and warm water in a spray bottle. 2. Spray the solution. Generously spray the mixture on your shower doors and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Scrub with baking soda. Sprinkle baking soda on a sponge and gently scrub the door in circular motions. 4. Rinse with warm water. Rinse the doors with warm water to remove the solution and soap scum. 5. Dry the doors. Wipe them down with a microfiber cloth for a streak-free finish. Your Brooklyn bathroom will shine in no time.